Hello, good morning. Myself Anuj Jaiswal. Today I am discuss about knowledge and curriculum chapter B.Ed second year. Most important question: what are the various kinds and sources of knowledge? Answer: types, kinds of knowledge. General knowledge. It can be categorized into two parts. First, a priori or non-empirical knowledge. A priori knowledge is knowledge that is known independently of experience. It is acquired through anything that is independent from experience. A priori knowledge is a way of gaining knowledge without the need of experience. A priori knowledge is often contrasted with posteriori knowledge, which is gained by experience. Second, a posteriori or empirical knowledge. A posteriori knowledge is knowledge that is known by experience. This knowledge comes through our senses. This knowledge is empirical knowledge. Senses is the best example of a method for ascertaining the accuracy of such knowledge. Scientific knowledge is a result of the practice of the method of observation, abduction of a hypothesis, careful observation, refinement of hypothesis, deduction of test for hypothesis, testing, experimentation, confirmation, or falsification of hypothesis. Second, knowledge according to Upanishad. Knowledge which can be categorized under Upanishads is Pravidya and Apravidya. First, Pravidya. Pravidya means higher learning or learning related to the self or the ultimate truth, either transcendental knowledge. Vedanta affirms that those who gain the knowledge of the self attains Kavalya, they become liberated, they become Brahman. The higher knowledge is by which the immutable and the impressible Atman is released, which knowledge brings about the direct realization of the supreme reality, the source of all. Second, Apravidya. A human being is blessed with the faculty of self knowledge, which is Apravidya or logical reasoning. Anything that can be seen is an object of Apravidya. Under this category comes all our worldly knowledge, science, arts, commerce, management, technical knowledge, etc. Apravidya is worth knowing because of various reasons. One, specialization in any one field of objective world, which helps us to serve our society and world better. Knowledge according to Jain philosophy. पहला first meta knowledge. It is ordinary cognition which is obtained by normal functioning of sense perception. It is based on sensuous perception. Second, Shruti knowledge. This knowledge is derived through symbols, signs, or words. All verbal knowledge is Shota Jnana. It includes all canonical, scriptural, or both knowledge. Shrita Jnana is of four kinds, namely Labdhi or association, Bhavana or attention, Upayoga or understanding, and Naya or aspects of the meaning of things. Third, Avadhi knowledge. It is a sort of or direct visual institution which enables a person to know things or objects even at a distance of time or space without their coming into contact with sense organs. Fourth, telepathy knowledge. This knowledge is that by which the soul can directly know the thoughts of others. 5. Kavalya knowledge. It comprehends all substances and their modification. It is the pure, absolute, complete, whole, and total knowledge unlimited by space, time, or object. It is the very omniscience. Apart from above mentioned knowledge, there are other types of knowledge, such as authoritative knowledge, reasoning knowledge, scientific knowledge, pragmatic knowledge, intuitive knowledge, world knowledge, and direct and indirect knowledge. Sources of knowledge. First, perception. It is that which can be perceived through the experience of the senses. The view that experience is the primary source of knowledge is called empiricism. Second, reason. It can be considered a source of knowledge either by deducing truths from existing knowledge or by learning things. A priori discovering necessary truths such as mathematical truths through pure reason. The view that reason is the primary source of knowledge is called rationalism. Third, introspection. Knowledge of one itself that can be found through internal self evaluation. This is generally considered to be a sort of perception. For example, I know I am hungry or tired. This is called introspection. Fourth, memory. It is the shortage of knowledge that was learned in the past, whether it be past events or current information. Fifth, testimony. It relies on others to acquire knowledge and communicate it to us. Some deny that testimony can be a source of knowledge and insist that belief gained through testimony must be verified in order to be knowledge. 6. Intuition. It is a personal spiritual experience, the knowledge obtained through the functioning of the causal body. Karna Sharia is institution. Sri Aurobindo calls it is the super mind or super mental consciousness. There is direct perception of truth or immediate knowledge through samadhi or the superconscious state. Intuition is divya drishti, divine vision. It is the eye of wisdom, spiritual flashes and glimpses of truth. Inspiration, revelation, and spiritual insight come through intuition. The mind has to be pure for one to know that it is the intuition that is functioning at a particular moment. 7. Brahma Janana, knowledge of God. It is above intuition. It transcends the casual body and is the highest form of knowledge. It is the only reality. It's self realization, Atma Janana. It means knowledge of the self or soul. The reason the term realization is used instead of knowledge is that Janana refers to knowledge of self based on experience, not mere intellectual knowledge. Atmajanana, literally, knowledge of the soul or supreme spirit. Atma Janana is above intuition. It is the highest form of knowledge. It is the only reality. Thank you for watching this video. This video is most important for B.Ed second year. This video is helpful for CRSU and MDU Maharishi Dayanand University. Thank you for watching this